Good morning. Today we're going to be doing lesson 9.4, special products. So square of a sum. Sum means addition. That means both of the binomials are going to have addition signs. Okay? So let's see. They follow a specific pattern. Let's see the pattern that they follow. You ready? I can't turn the page. There we go. So we're using FOIL, remembering what FOIL is. First, outer, inner, last. Ready? So they look like this. You can rewrite them like this. That's what that means, okay? X times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 6 is 36. Combine like terms. That's 12x. And I'm going to bring the others down. It's literally just FOIL, except for you end up getting the same inside number. Let's do it again. 3g plus 10h. 3g plus 10h. It's the same number twice. 3 times 3 is 9, g squared. 3g times 10h is going to be 30gh. 10h times 3g is going to be 30gh. 10 times 10 is 100, h squared. Okay? Now 30 plus 30 is 60, gh. Bring down the other two numbers. There you go. It's as easy as that. You have a check, I think. Yeah, you actually have two checks. So, solve, use your FOIL, and find the correct answer. Pause. Go ahead. This one. 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. 2 times 2 is 4, x squared. 2 times 9 is 18, x. 9 times 2 is 18, x. 9 times 9 is 81. 18 plus 18 is 36, x. Bring down my other numbers. That gives me this one, right here. Answer is D. Now this one. 6m plus 11n. 6n plus 11n. 6 times 6 is 36. That's an m. M squared. 6 times 11 is 66. mn. 11 times 6 is 66. mn. 11 times 11 is 121. And then I've got n squared. 66 plus 66 is 132. mn. Bring these down. Find the correct answer. 36, 132, 121. There we go. Now we're going to do the same thing, except for now it's going to be a difference. So it's showing like this. That means it's going to be both of the binomials are going to be negative. It's a little blurry. I'm trying to fix it. There you go. So here we go. Let's try this. Same thing. We just got to write it twice. 7d minus 2f. 7d minus 2f. Let's see what happens here. You ready? 7 times 7 is 49. D squared. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. F. That was a D and an F, so it should be DF. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. DF. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4F squared. So this is positive, these are negative. Negative 14 minus negative 14 is negative 28 df. Bring the other things down. Okay? Try it. Press pause. Try it. 4k minus 1. 4k minus 1. 4 times 4 is 16. K squared. 4k times negative 1 is negative 4k. Negative 1 times 4k is negative 4k. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Negative 4 minus negative 4 is negative 8k. Bring down the other terms. Which one is that? Right there. Okay, we're almost done. We're going to do the sum and a difference. So now this time, one of them is going to be positive and one of them is going to be negative. And watch what happens. Watch. It's funny. It's a little tricky trick. Those are different sizes. I'm sorry. So z times z is z squared. Z times negative 5 is negative 5z. 5 times negative z is positive 5z. Anybody see it yet? Positive 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. So I've got a negative and a positive. Negative 5 plus 5, that cancels out. So I'm left with just z squared minus 25. That's what happens. You always want to, you can find the pattern with this one. If they're opposites and they're the same, those middle numbers are going to cancel out. So you almost need to just do the first and the last. But I'm going to do it again to show you what happens instead of just doing the trick. 3y cubed times 3y cubed is 9y to the 6th. 3y cubed times negative 4 is negative 12y cubed. Positive 4 times 3y cubed is positive 12y cubed. And positive 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Oh, look. They cancel out. 9y to the 6th minus 16. Okay? This is coming from the first, and this is coming from the last. Okay. Now it's a mixture. They're all positive, negative, so you should be able to find this real quick with the pattern. Pause. Try it. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. 3y times 3y is negative 9y squared. That will cancel with that. Don't have to do anything else. It's the pattern. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 9y squared times negative 9y squared is negative 81 y to the 4th. X times x is x squared. 9y times negative 9y is negative 81y squared. X times x is x squared. 9 times negative 9 is negative 81. Pattern. That's all I got. As easy as pie. Have a great day.